Hey, the seller sent me this set of 2 outdoor cushions for free, so I'm going to check them out and give you my thoughts. So this is perfect timing. We're just about to hit spring. We're setting up the patio, and we'll take a little bit closer look at the cushion here. This is a nice gray color. I like the gray because it's a nice neutral color. It'll probably go with almost any outdoor chair. We'll look at the bottom here. There's some grip on the bottom, so it should stay in your seat. This is 42 inches tall, 22 inches wide, so this size should be compatible with most outdoor chairs. I like that this has some ties. You can tie it on the bottom here and up at the top if you want to make sure the cushion stays in place. The cushion itself, this is 5 inches tall. This was my original cushion. This honestly was not that comfortable, and I like sitting outside. So this replacement cushion is definitely an upgrade. We'll have a seat. Oh yeah, this is definitely more comfortable than this, stock foam cushion that this came with. I can definitely feel the cushion. This is definitely softer. Definitely more comfortable. I like that it has the back cushion as well. I like the elegant look of these. The material is water resistant, so if you leave them outside in the rain, they'll still hold up. Overall, I think these are a lot more comfortable, and they also look a lot better, and this improves and enhances my patio for the summer.